Eid Mubarak. And it started raining. Yes, this is the first rain vlog of this year, and I'm very excited about this. Roads are completely empty because of the Eid holiday. Everybody is out of town. Let's see if we can see the Land Rovers. This would be a better opportunity. Let's see if the door is open. The door seems to be open. Okay, this is what I call a Land Rover junkyard. This is a 90. I think that's a Safari or a Land Cruiser. This is another 90. 100. True beauty. We also have cows over here. Oh, that's a Mercedes limo. Vitara, that's Mitsubishi Pajero, and there is another 100 in an ambulance form. This is Jimny, I guess. 100 again. The 90. Look at the beauty. This is it. Alright, we're back on track, a little bit off-roading over here. Okay, that's about it. Oh, they got caught in the rain. Then what is it trying to do? That is very risky, brother. Very risky. Don't do that. Anyway, it's back on track on the road. The rain at the very hour of the afternoon when everybody was going out dressed up in different places to enjoy the Eid holiday, the rain came down, which is a blessing, of course, because it was scorching hot and humid summer. It went up to more than 40 or something like that, but this rain was like expected, a welcoming rain. So I take it positively because I'm in a car, but really conscious about those also riding motorbikes or on the rickshaws. But it will bring down the much needed cold. Temperature will go down a little bit, it will cool down, which is really good for all the producers and for us. We were like, this was a very tough Ramadan for all of us. It was hot, so and the longest days in the year. So yeah, I have to give it to all the people who fasted, who was fasting actually in this Ramadan during this scorching heat. Eid Mubarak to you all.